Thank you for signing up for 123net Home Fiber Internet. We are so excited for you to experience the fiber difference. Now that you're signed up, let's talk about what you can expect from the installation process. And don't worry, if you don't remember this, it's also conveniently located in your inbox with your sign-up confirmation. When our network is built underground or fiber is further away, like if you have a longer driveway, we require some additional work to get the fiber to your house. In some cases, like if your driveway exceeds 500 feet from the street access box, additional charges will apply. For installation, our techs will need access to the vault or pedestal where the fiber is located. This is typically in your front or rear part of your yard. If in your backyard, please make sure that all animals are safely stowed away to ensure a safe working environment for our team. The technician will need to know about any private utilities not marked by mistake, such as dog fences or sprinkler lines. Once these details have been confirmed, the technician will bury the drop from the access point to your house. This is typically located about 8 to 12 feet under the ground. Once that part has been completed, the technician will return to finish the final part of your installation. The last step of the installation process includes running a single fiber line to the optical network terminal and 123net provided router for Wi-Fi access. Please make sure that someone over 18 is home to let in our team member. And again, if there are any pets around, please make sure they are safely stowed away. That way we can ensure a safe environment for our team. If you have any questions during the installation process, please reach out to our customer care group at 888-440-0123, pressing 2 twice. Thank you again for signing up for 123net Home Fiber Internet. We are so excited to have you here.